Hi, James. How are you?
Hi, Sarah. I'm good, thanks.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a sister.
What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
How old are you?
I'm 28.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dogs.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
Have you been on a vacation recently?
Not lately.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer.
Can you speak any other languages?
I speak a bit of Spanish.
What's your favorite movie?
I enjoy comedies.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a night owl.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I often hang out with friends.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I play the guitar.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I like math.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love ice cream.
How's your day going so far?
It's been good.
Do you like sports?
I enjoy playing soccer.
What's your dream job?
I'd love to be a travel photographer.
What's the last movie you watched?
I saw a comedy last night.
How do you like to relax after a busy day?
I usually watch TV or listen to music.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
Yes, I've been to France.
Do you enjoy cooking?
I like it, especially grilling.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like pop music.
What's your favorite holiday?
I like Christmas.
Do you have a favorite board game?
I enjoy playing Monopoly.
What's your favorite thing about your job?
I like helping people learn.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I'm a coffee person.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I like hiking.
Are you a fan of technology?
Yes, I love gadgets.
How do you usually celebrate your birthday?
I often have a small party with friends.
Do you have a favorite childhood memory?
Camping trips with my family.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like apples.
Are you a morning coffee person?
Definitely. Can't start the day without it.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
What's your favorite TV show?
I like sitcoms.
How do you stay active?
I go jogging in the evenings.
What's your favorite type of pizza?
I like pepperoni.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find it relaxing.
Are you a fan of spicy food?
I like a bit of spice.
What's your favorite book?
I like adventure novels.
Do you like museums?
Yes, I find them interesting.
How do you handle stress?
I take deep breaths and go for a walk.
Do you have a favorite app on your phone?
I use a weather app a lot.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like chocolate.
Do you enjoy going to parties?
Yes, I like socializing.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny days.
How big is your family?
We are a family of 4.
What do your parents do for a living?
My mom is a teacher, and my dad is an engineer.
What do you like to do together as a family?
We enjoy going on hikes and playing board games.
Does your family have any special traditions?
Yes, we always have a big dinner on holidays.
What's your favorite memory with your family?
I loved our trip to the beach last summer.
Who are you closest to in your family?
I'm close to my sister.
How does your family celebrate birthdays?
We usually have a party at home.
Do you have family photos at home?
Yes, we have a family photo on the living room wall.
What are your parents' hobbies?
My mom likes gardening, and my dad enjoys fishing.
Where did your family go on vacation last?
We went to the mountains.
Have you ever faced any challenges as a family?
Yes, but we always support each other.
Would you like to have a big family in the future?
I haven't decided yet.
Do you have specific roles in your family, like chores?
Yes, I'm responsible for setting the table.
Does your family have breakfast together?
Yes, we try to have breakfast as a family on weekends.
Does your family have any pets?
We have a dog named Max.
Do you know about your family's heritage or background?
Yes, we have a mix of Irish and Italian heritage.
Do you have family movie nights?
Yes, we watch movies together on Fridays.
How does your family support each other during tough times?
We talk and help each other out.
Do you prefer a smaller or larger family?
I think I like a smaller family.
What do you usually talk about during family dinners?
We share stories about our day.
What's a proud achievement your family celebrates?
My sister recently graduated, and we had a small celebration.
How does your family handle disagreements or challenges?
We discuss things openly and find a solution together.
Does anyone in your family enjoy gardening?
Yes, my mom has a beautiful garden.
Do you speak any languages other than English in your family?
We speak English at home.
Do you have game nights with your family?
Yes, we play board games or cards.
How do you celebrate birthdays in your family?
We usually have a cake and give small gifts.
Does your family enjoy going to the beach?
Yes, we love spending time by the sea.
What winter activities does your family enjoy?
We like skiing and building snowmen.
Where do you live?
I live in an apartment.
How big is your home?
It's a small apartment, but cozy.
Do you live alone, or do you have roommates?
I have one roommate.
What's your favorite room in your home?
I love the living room.
How have you decorated your home?
I like a mix of modern and vintage decor.
What chores do you do at home?
I usually do the dishes and clean on weekends.
Do you enjoy cooking at home?
Yes, I like trying new recipes.
What essential appliances do you have at home?
I have a fridge, stove, and microwave.
How do you keep your home organized?
I use shelves and storage bins.
What do you do to relax at home?
I enjoy reading or watching movies.
How do you create a cozy atmosphere at home?
I use warm lighting and soft blankets.
Speaking of weather, do you prefer hot or cold climates?
I prefer the warmth.
What's your favorite type of shoe?
I like comfortable sneakers.
Do you enjoy attending live performances like concerts or plays?
Yes, I love live music concerts.
What's your go-to snack?
I like munching on popcorn.
Have you ever tried a food from a different culture that you loved?
Sushi is one of my favorites.
Are you good at remembering names?
I try my best, but sometimes I forget.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
I use a productivity app to stay organized.
Do you enjoy watching documentaries?
Yes, I find them informative.
Are you a fan of art museums?
I appreciate art, but I don't visit museums often.
How do you usually spend your evenings during the week?
I often unwind by reading or watching TV.
Do you have any favorite quotes or sayings?
I like live in the moment.